to hear it right out of the players' mouths themselves. It's time for All Chat.
This is 1 minute for the rest of our lives. We're gonna go out there, go play some League of Legends.
Okay.
Wait, for 1 minute?
Party rockers in the house tonight.
Shut up.
And we gonna make you lose your mind. And
Don't sing, they'll put it on fucking all chat. Don't even hum. Don't even fucking hum. Don't even fucking hum.
Why are there so much cameras in our face today?
Because they're like, if EG makes it to playoffs, they can have a sick comeback and go 4-0 the recovery super weekend.
Yeah, but they won't.
Do you think we should force an engage?
After Blackstone's over, you do that in fight and you call it and we win. Poke him, poke him, poke him. Yeah, okay, no Blackstone, no Blackstone.
Go.
Cog was dead.
Cog.
Window.
One's coming up.
Eve.
1 second step.
Okay, resets.
I'm throwing a sapling.
I got key flash.
Nice.
Okay, go. We can end.
I can't even phone coherent thoughts anymore. The only thing on my mind now is winning.
I need help warding mid.
Holy shit. Oh my god. Just leave me.
Oh shit, Talon's in here.
Like, I have to fight.
I'm dead. Fuck. Holy guacamole.
Mono Elise.
We can maybe end.
Vasily flash in. Got him. We can end. GG! Playoffs, baby, we did it. Good job.
Just end the game. We'll celebrate after.
우사.